Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at the construction on Spanish Town Road, take a tour to see how it's progressing. Now Spanish Town Road is going to be renovated. It's going to have 6 lanes and it's going to look similar to Marcus Garvey Drive, except it won't have the concrete barricade separating the 2 lanes, separating the 2 sides of the road. Now we are on Spanish Town Road heading towards a 3 miles overpass. Now this road project includes the paving of the road, but it also includes a lane of pipes. So the pipes were laid by Water Commission, but when they did their pressure test to ensure everything was okay, they seem to have found problems because I noticed that they are digging back up the road at certain points. So whenever that is, the lane of the pipes is finished, they will begin the paving of the road. But if you look on the left, you can see that they have widened the road and it's going to be 6 lanes. So you're going to see a lot of like this section of the road now, you can see where they dug it up to lay the pipes, and I guess because it's going to be paved as soon as they're finished, they just left it like this. And to be fair, I mean, Water Commission has a reputation of leaving roads in a terrible state when they're finished, but they had announced that they had finished laying the pipes a few weeks ago. So if the pressure test had been done and everything was okay, the paving of the road would have started already. So we're not going to complain about the condition of the road because hopefully they'll start the paving very soon. But you can see the state of the road, and this is a very busy road, but the paving of the road should have started already. But it's better that they fix the pipes now than wait until after the road is paved and then they have to dig it back up. But Spanish Town Road is a very busy road. It takes you from Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica, to the downtown Kingston area. And there are a lot of communities that you access off Spanish Town Road. You have Riverton, Seaview Gardens, Alvarez Gardens, Olympic Gardens, Tivoli Gardens, Denham Town, West Kingston, Trench Town, Arnett Gardens. So there are a lot of communities off this area, and those communities have been growing over time, and that's why they needed to lay these new pipes to ensure that these communities could get the proper supply of water. Now on the left is the KIG facility, and then you have Select Brands. On the right you have Excelsior, and they make crackers. You have a lot of business places on this road, and also straight ahead is a 3 miles overpass. Now where that overpass is built, that's the busiest intersection in Jamaica. That's why the overpass was built at that point. That's where you have Spanish Town Road intersecting Hagley Park Road. Now at that point, at that intersection, you can turn left on Hagley Park Road and go up to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica, or you can turn right and go on to Marcus Garvey Drive, which will take you to the Kingston Wharf as well as downtown Kingston. So it's a very busy intersection, and it's a wonderful overpass. Oh my God, it has made a world of difference. The traffic that used to be at this intersection, unbelievable. And now that they've built the overpass, the traffic flows freely. Excellent job by the government for identifying a need to build this overpass. Okay, so the cars that are going left now, they are going to the original intersection or the ground level. We are on the Spanish Town Road overpass, and then the one above it is the Hagley Park Road overpass. And this is the only double overpass in Jamaica at this time. I'm sure more will be built over time. Jamaica is progressing nicely with their road infrastructure program, the main roads and the highways. The secondary roads are a different story, but in terms of these main roads, because Mandela Highway was recently renovated, Washington Boulevard, Marcus Garvey Drive. So let's say you're driving from Mandela Highway to downtown Kingston. You come on Mandela, then you go on to Spanish Town Road, then you go on to Marcus Garvey Drive, and then you go on to Port Royal Street, and you're in downtown Kingston. All very well, with the exception of Spanish Town Road, which is under renovation. All very nice roads, highway quality roads. So you have to give the government credit, and the NWA is a government agency that is in charge of these main roads. So as you can see, the state of this road is not too good, but as we said, it's going to be paved over very shortly. And Spanish Town Road will take you all the way into downtown Kingston. On the right you have a lot of warehouses. I don't remember the name of that area now, but it's a very, very busy area down there because we're very close to the Kingston Wharf. If we had turned right onto Hagley Park Road, that would take us down to Marcus Garvey Drive and to the Kingston Wharf. So you have a lot of warehouses in this area because it's very close to the wharf. Now straight ahead on the right, where you see that tractor, they have dug up the road. There you can see the water commission van. So they're actually covering it back now, so hopefully the pipeline will be finished soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.